In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give permission Asana 2025, step by step. We're going to walk through two essential tasks, adjusting individual permissions on a project and changing the project's overall privacy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control who can see your work and what they can do with it. Let's start with managing individual permissions. Open the project you're working on and click the Share button in the top toolbar. This opens the access panel for the project. If you don't see Share, double check that you're in the right project and that you have the appropriate access to manage members. In the access panel, find the person whose permissions you want to change. Next to their name, click the drop-down to edit their role. You'll see options like Project Admin, Editor, Commenter, and Viewer. Pick the role that best fits the access they need. As a quick guide, project admins can manage members and project settings, editors can create and change tasks, commenters can leave feedback without altering task details, and viewers can see everything but can't make changes. This is a great way to keep collaboration smooth while maintaining control over edits and approvals. If you need to remove someone from the project entirely, hover over their name, click the pencil icon to edit, and then click the X to remove them. Removing a member immediately revokes access to the project. Don't worry, existing tasks or comments they've contributed will remain for record keeping. Now let's adjust the project's privacy. With the project open, click the Share button again, then select Manage Access. Here, you can choose the project's visibility, private to members or shared with organization. Private to members means only the people you explicitly add can see the project. This is ideal for sensitive work, early stage planning, or limited access initiatives. Shared with organization makes the project visible to anyone in your organization, depending on their role. This option supports transparency and cross-team alignment, especially for company-wide initiatives or reference projects. A quick tip: pick the most restrictive setting you need today and loosen it later if required. You can always come back to Manage Access to update privacy as the project evolves. After making any changes, let your team know so there are no surprises and everyone understands their level of access. That's it. Click Share, set roles for individuals, remove access when needed, and choose the right privacy setting for the whole project. With these tools, you'll keep your workspace organized, secure, and perfectly aligned with how your team works.